Hey guys, if you are looking for best steam vacuum cleaner for mattress, you chose the right video. Today we're going to review top 5 best steam vacuum cleaner for mattress on market. After spending 2 weeks research, we make this list based on features, quality, prices, customers' reviews, and durability. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Our first product is a MOSCHE handheld steam cleaner. When it comes to deep cleaning without any harmful chemicals, nothing beats the MOSCHE steam cleaner. It is the best steam cleaner for mattresses that don't leave you with the side effects of harsh cleaning agents. That is why it is safe for your children and pets. The cleaner has a capacity of 350 ml of water. That means you get to enjoy continuous steaming. Again, it provides you 250 to 270 steam. Because of the quick heating facility, it only takes a few minutes to heat up. As a result, the high temperature steam removes any stain or grease in just a few seconds. Not to mention, you get a safety lock for protection against overheating issues. The cleaner is also ideal for sealed surfaces, so you can use it for cleaning your windows, showers, or even BBQ grills. Now our second choice is VAPAMORE Mr. 75 Amico Steam Cleaner. The first thing that you will notice is its compact shape. The durable exterior and the handheld architecture make it ideal for everyday use. That means when you have the VAPAMORE Mr. 75, you no longer have to go through any unnecessary hassle to clean your mattress. Not to mention, the weight of the entire system is less than 3 pounds. So, that is called a super convenient design. Despite having a light constructional design, you don't have to compromise with the quality at all. The 1000W heating compartment makes sure that your mattress gets a hot steamy cleanup every time. Not just that, it can reach 210 degF in a short amount of time. Therefore, you can begin your cleaning routine without wasting any time waiting for it to heat up. Finally, the multipurpose cleaner includes more than 15 unique attachment tools. Thus, you can use these tools to take out the stubborn stains from your mattress, bathroom, or kitchen in no time. Now number 3, IVATION Canister Steam Cleaner. You might have seen typical steam cleaners that only focus on a single type of work. It happens because of the lack of controllability. Now when we are talking about a steam cleaner for mattresses, we need to focus on controllability. That is because the more flexible your cleaner is, the better chance you get to have a spotless mattress. The design of the IVATION Canister Steam Cleaner focuses on enhancing mobility and adjustability. As a result, instead of limiting the possibilities, it takes multitasking to the next level. The pressurized steam helps to clean your mattress thoroughly and take out all the grease and stain. As you know, people tend to get afraid to use high-pressure steam on delicate fabrics. Nevertheless, the design of the steam cleaner balances out the pressure evenly and prevents any damage to your mattress. This way, it works incredibly well with all types of fabrics at the same time. Another amazing feature of this cleaner is the conversion mechanism. That's right. You can convert the design and use it in different ways. For instance, you can use it as a scrubber and take out any stubborn stains from your mattress. Again, you can convert it into a rotating brush for fast cleaning within a few moments. Furthermore, it can hold almost 2 liters of water. So, you can down all the harmful particles with 170C steam. Lastly, you get working lights that help with the indication for a smoother application. At number 4, BEAUTURAL 722 NA8 Steamer. This one is an absolute masterpiece when you are dealing with a dirty and wrinkly mattress. The BEAUTURAL steamer offers a special technology for pump steaming. This feature helps you to remove all the wrinkles from your mattress. Not just that, the convenient heat settings also make sure to take out any grease or stain from your mattress. In most cases, you can work for 15 minutes with the steamer. Moreover, the steamer takes 30 seconds to heat up. Therefore, these quick and easy heating facilities allow you to use them regularly. With the steamer, you get a convenient steam lock button. It can automatically turn off if you don't use it for more than 8 minutes because of the smart design. Again, you can clean with it horizontally or rotate the steamer and use it vertically across your mattress. This way, you don't have to put a lot of effort while cleaning up the sides and corners. Also, the lint brush helps you to pick up all the debris without much hassle. As a result, it is an ideal choice if you have pets in your house. At number 5, DUPRAY Neat Steam Cleaner. Are you tired of the frequent interruptions while steaming your mattress? Well, Then all you need is to incorporate the best water capacity of the DUPRAY steam cleaner into your routine. The unique design focuses on continuous steaming, and so it includes a water tank of 260 ml capacity. The steamer ideally lasts for 15 minutes without any interruptions. That means you no longer have to interrupt your cleaning routine just to fill in the tank. Not just that, it features a steam lock button. These buttons allow you to steam for a longer period without altering the adjustments. As a result, you can finish cleaning your mattress in a single go when you are in a hurry. Besides, if you keep your steamer idle, it will shut off automatically. This way, it saves energy consumption as well. Another attractive aspect of this steamer is its flexibility. While steaming, you can take any direction you like. The anti-leaking design will make sure that you get a precise result without any spillage. All the products we mentioned are available in present market. To get the link, check description below. Please subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to get notified our next video. Thanks for watching.